Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make certain parts of your picture black and white on the Facelab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select a picture from your gallery that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find the retouch button. Slide to the right side again till you find the B and W section. Click on it and then zoom in and brush over those areas that you want to make black and white. As you can see, this is how it changes. And you can adjust this filter or this function by the help of the scale that you can find in the middle of the screen. So after selecting it, you can zoom out and see how it looks like. If you want to erase certain parts, click on the eraser button next to it and brush over those areas that you want to undo. And you can compare it to the original copy by tapping on this button next to the scale in the middle of the screen. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.